Hey everyone, and welcome to the club, and welcome to this week's coloring tip. Today I'll be showing you how to color in your drawings using a very simple technique using pencil crayons and markers. So let's get started. To color in the body of the orange, I have two markers, a yellow and an orange. And then for the shading, I have a darker orange pencil crayon that I'm going to use to shade the bottom edge of the orange. So with this drawing, I want to imagine the light coming down from the top left, hitting the side of the orange on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by coloring in a circle in a light yellow with the highlight. So start off on the left side here, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight, and then we're going to color that in. Now because the light's hitting this side of the orange, the shadow is going to be along the bottom edge over towards the right. So let's start just on the left side at the bottom here. I'm going to draw a very faint curve going up over towards the right. Now I'm going to fill this area in with a dark orange. I'm using my pencil crayon. Now it doesn't have to be fully opaque because the orange marker is going to fill all the little gaps in. Now once I got that edge in here, I'm going to just blend this out along the sides. So lightly going over. And I'm going to continue this as I get a little bit lighter towards this highlight. So I'm going over with a light pass with the edge of the orange. And just blend in this little hard edge here. So going in the opposite direction, just to blend that in. Now it doesn't have to be perfect because the marker is going to actually fill all that in and just help blend that all out. So I want to get to a light point where you can barely see the pencil crayon mark. Kind of like this. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the shading on the one side here. Now I'm going to go back in with my orange marker. So I'm going to start with the circle. So I'm going to surround the yellow with my orange marker. And now I'm just going to fill in this entire area going over the pencil crayon. Now right here, you're going to see what's going to happen once the marker goes over the pencil crayon. It creates a little nice blend. That. It's got a little bit of an orange hue over that dark orange and reddish color of the pencil crayon. Right over here on this side, so it blends in nicely. We're going to go along the bottom here. You see I'm going over that shading area and it's starting to fill in the little white gaps, the little white areas that the pencil crayon didn't reach. And you create this nice blended shadow. Now let's go to the top of the leaf and you can do the same thing. So I'm going to use a dark green pencil crayon. I'm just going to shade in the center line. So going around that line with a dark green pencil crayon. Now I'm going to blend it out as I go towards the side. So just going over with a light pass. You don't have to go that far here. Just like that. And then now I'm going to go back over the whole entire leaf with a medium green marker. You see all the white areas getting filled in by the marker and the ink. And get this nice little gradient on the inside. And that's pretty much it. There's our quick coloring tip for today. Leave your comments below and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.